YouTube? It is me, your girl Shay. Welcome to Glamplified Beauty. Today's video is an unboxing, and surprisingly it's from Boxycharm. So I decided to go back to Boxycharm for a little while to see, you know, what's what, because I've seen some new things popping on their Instagram and on their website. So I thought, well, let's go back and check them out. So they seem like they're doing a little bit better. If you haven't seen spoilers yet for November, my video will be coming up sometime next week, so make sure y'all be on the lookout for that. But this is the unboxing for October's box, which I had a choice to pick which thing that I wanted. I think, did I? No, not this month, because I just started back. But we are unboxing so I can show you guys what I got inside. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Shay. Make sure you subscribe down below. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you want to see more unboxings, because I will be implementing try-ons with the Boxycharm, not this month, but starting next month I will be unboxing and trying on in the same video. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know down below. If y'all like this video, let me know down below. Let me know if y'all got y'all Boxycharm and what y'all favorite thing in the box is down below in the description box. But anyway, without further ado, because this intro was already too long and we're not trying to do all that, so let's get into the unboxing, shall we? Bye, y'all. Alright, so this is for the month of October. I got it kind of late because I wasn't sure if I wanted to start back over with this Boxycharm stuff, but people had choice to pick a choice item in their October box. I didn't have that luxury because, as I said, I am starting over, but if I never left Boxycharm, I probably would have had the choice. But it's neither here nor there because I actually got the product that I wanted, that I was looking for. So I'm kind of excited. I'm happy. Boxycharm, if you don't know, is $21, but from what I've heard, they will be going up to $25 a month for the regular box. And then they have a premium box, which is, I think, $35. And then, as y'all know, the Boxycharm Boxy Lux is about $50 every 3 months. But yeah, this is my October box. Ain't she pretty? She pretty, right? This is my October box. And I've heard that their boxes is getting bigger. I can feel this one is kind of bigger than, well, no, it's not. It just feels heavier because it's a product in there. But anyway, I already cut the seal open to save some time. And let's get into unboxing. Alright, so as y'all know, this is what this box looks like on the inside. And they have the card right here on the top. So if y'all are new to Boxycharm, you're sleeping under a rock because they've been out for a while now. I've had them since 2016 or 2017, I want to say. So yeah, so their theme for this month is After Dark. This is what it looks like. It doesn't have, like, you know, the picture like they normally do, but then they have the back with some info on the Boxycharm Premium. So yes, as I said, the beauty boxes are valued with over $175 a product for only $35 for the Boxycharm Premium. And the limited quantity is starting in November. So if y'all sign up now, you'll be able to sign up for the wait list so you can get notified when they are open. And it is called Boxycharm 2.0. If y'all want to know more about that, I will have a separate video, but per usual, they have all the information of the products listed here, as well as their retail value. And then they also have new, it is Boxycharm with Facetune. So if you go to the Facetune 2 app, there is an icon where you could click and customize your face using the items that are in the Boxycharm. So my lights are kind of bright today, but it's okay. Oh, look at that red spot. Anyway, girl, stop. All right, so for the first product, it is the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye look. This retail value is $32. This is what it looks like. And this is the back, so all the shades, which I love because it is perfect for fall. And I don't have anything Dose of Colors. I used to have lipsticks from them, liquid lipsticks, but yeah. So this is the packaging. Y'all can see me. This is the back with the shade names. And this is cruelty free, and it lasts for 12 months with 1.7 grams, 0.06 ounces in each pan. And these are what the colors look like. It comes with a brush as well as a mirror. So this will be the palette I will do my first, November's box is what I will do my first look in. And it looks a little washed out on here. It looks like it's chalky. Nope, there we go. You can see the richness in the colors. They're all matte shades. So yeah, I can't wait to play with this. I like the brush. Let me see. The brush, you know, it's a brush. So yeah. So already loving what I am receiving so far. So the next product that we have is from Hank and Henry. Hey Hank and Henry, I love their products. I watch them on Facebook Live all the time, and he is just absolutely gorgeous. I love their products. And this is their Slick It Mascara Duo. So this says Slick with It mascara will have you feeling like you have major clouds. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The Duo Wand applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and easily designed to add mascara to your lower lashes. So yes, because my bottom lashes, I have none, and we need some bottom lashes, okay? So this retails for $19. You can find them at hankandhenry.com. And this is what it looks like. So yes, I can't wait to try it out. I'm guessing the name is Clout, so yeah, I don't know, but yeah. Okay, the next product that I have, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 5. Okay, the next product I have is from Smashbox, you guys, and this is their Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner in black. This is what the package looks like. This is so cool. Let me just swipe it right quick in front of you guys. Don't mind that swatch. I was playing with neons. That is very good. Okay. Alright. So this is Smashbox Always On Liquid Liner. Always On Liquid Liner easily lines and defines eyes with the high pigment waterproof formula that lasts up to 24 hours. The super fine and easy to control tip precisely draws thin to thick lines, making it easy to ace any look. Even if you're a beginner, the formula goes on smoothly with the fluidity of a sharp point marker. No skipping, tugging, flaking, or smudging, and is sweat, humidity, and transfer resistant. Not transfer proof, but transfer resistance. This retails for $22, and I'm loving it. I love how it looks so sleek, so pretty. It's like a stiletto heel. But this is what that looks like right there. And let's see. Yep, not going anywhere. So, okay. We're getting somewhere. The next thing is from Chella. This is their slanted tip tweezer. This is how it came packaged, just like this. But I'm going to open it for you guys so you can see it, because this is different. I haven't seen one shaped like this before. So this is what it looks like here. This is their Chella slanted tip tweezers. It is used to create your ideal eyebrow look. Eyebrow look. Remove any unwanted hairs with this Chella Perfect Grip tweezer. This retails for $20. So that's something. And you can hold it like this. So I like how it has the indent right here. You can just put your fingers there and tweeze away. So I got a new tweezer. I'm always losing tweezers, so this is an added bonus. And the one that I wanted the most, because I've been trying to make this and cannot for the life of me get it. This is, look at that. Oh my god, y'all. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look. That is dope. Freaking dope. I love Iconic, man. This is Iconic London Prep Set Glow. Okay, honey. Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave your skin with Iconic's glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep for skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, vitamin E, this 100% vegan wonder sprays helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. This retails for $29. So look, hey, look at that. I tried to make it. I tried, y'all. I tried to make it. I don't know how close I got, but I tried with my little products that I got at home. This is what I came up with. What the hell is this? What is this? Sis, what is you doing? Look. Who would you rather use? Well, I don't know. See? I made mine. I tried to make mine. So, don't know how that worked pretty well. I'm going to try it because sis been waiting for this. Oh my God, it even smells good. Lord. It got a perfumey taste though. Don't open your mouth after you spray it, okay? Just wait a while, sis. Okay? So, Boxycharm. Welcome back. Well, welcome to the fold. Welcome back to the family, okay? Anyway, so, as an added bonus for me subscribing to Boxycharm yet again, I had gotten the Tarte's High Performance Naturals Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. And this is just a contour highlighting eyeshadow palette, I presume. It just says face palette, so. But this is what it looks like here. And I got this by using the code Trick or Tart, or Tart or Trick. Trick or Tart. That's what it is. So if y'all want to try this out, if y'all want to get this, make sure y'all put that in y'all coupon code, discount code, so you can get this palette. They'll either send you this palette, or they will send you this palette or this palette right here. Give me 1 second. They'll either send you that palette or this palette, the Tarte's Glow Pro palette, which I don't like, don't use, too light, whatever. I'm putting it in my Poshmark closet, so if y'all interested in that, make sure y'all find me on Poshmark. I don't know. But yeah, so you either get that palette or they'll send you this palette. This is what this palette looks like. They have a card to show you how to use the stuff, so I'm guessing you can use it with your eyes, because you know it has pictures of eyes on there. So this is what it looked like. Somebody done damn swatched this shit. I feel like somebody swatched this, because I swear to y'all, I did not open it. But this is what this one looks like. Yeah, I feel like somebody swatched this one and touched my black. Somebody touched my black, y'all. But it smells like cocoa. Smells like cocoa, y'all. Okay. But hopefully I can use it, because I want to use some for my under eyes. So I don't know. Maybe this could be used for my under eye. This could be used for contouring. Then we have these shades. I don't know what to do with those shades. But if not, I will put it in my Poshmark. I just thought it was super cool, super fun. And the packaging looks super run down. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. Yeah, I guess it's supposed to look like that. But yeah, you guys, that is it for my video. The retail value of this box was right here. That is the retail value of everything that is in the box all together, and I only paid about $21. So yeah, already the Dose of Color eyeshadow palette paid for the box, and you know I got free stuff. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys loved my video. Let me know what your favorite thing was down below. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. I'm about to start spraying this forever. I hope I never run out, because that is $29 that I cannot pay for. So yeah, love you guys. Make sure you click the thumbnail. Well, click the thumbs up. Click the bell so you'll be notified for my next video, because, well, shit, I don't know what the next video is. Just be on the lookout. Love y'all.